Hello, and welcome back to Talking Easy channel.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Ella.
And I'm Alex. Today, we are going to have a nice, slow conversation.
Yes, it's perfect for learners. Please help us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
It really helps us. Thank you.
So, what is our topic today? Today, we will talk about something everyone loves, gifts.
Gifts, presents. I love this topic. Giving gifts, receiving gifts, everything about gifts.
Yes, gifts make people happy. Let's begin.
So, do you like giving gifts or receiving gifts more?
That's a good question. I think I like giving gifts more. Seeing someone smile when they open my gift makes me so happy.
I understand that feeling. It's a warm feeling in your heart.
Yes, exactly. But receiving gifts is also nice. It means someone thought about you.
That's true. When someone gives you a gift, it means they care about you.
What about you? Do you prefer giving or receiving?
I think I like both equally, but choosing a gift for someone is sometimes difficult for me.
Oh, I understand. It can be stressful. You want to find the perfect gift.
Yes, sometimes I walk in shops for hours and I can't decide.
That happens to everyone. Don't worry.
Let's talk about different types of gifts. What kinds of gifts do people usually give?
Well, there are many types. Clothes, books, flowers, chocolates, jewelry, electronics.
Gift cards, handmade gifts, perfume, toys for children.
Yes, the list is very long. Different gifts for different people and different occasions.
What is the most common gift you give to friends?
For friends, I usually give books or nice candles. Something simple but thoughtful.
Books are great gifts. You can learn something new.
Yes, and I always write a small message inside the book. To my dear friend, happy birthday.
That's very sweet. A personal message makes the gift more special.
Exactly. It shows you care. What do you usually give to friends?
I often give gift cards. I know it sounds lazy, but I want my friends to choose what they really want.
That's not lazy at all. Gift cards are practical. People can buy exactly what they need.
Thank you for saying that. Some people think gift cards are boring.
Not at all. I love receiving gift cards. I can go shopping and choose something I really like.
Let's talk about occasions. When do people usually give gifts?
Birthdays are the most common. Everyone gives gifts on birthdays.
Yes, and holidays like Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day.
Weddings, baby showers, graduations, anniversaries.
Wow, there are so many occasions for gifts.
Yes, sometimes it feels like every month there is something.
My wallet is always empty because of gifts.
I know that feeling, but gifts don't have to be expensive.
That's true. The thought is more important than the price.
Yes, a cheap gift with love is better than an expensive gift without meaning.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
Speaking of birthdays, do you remember the best birthday gift you ever received?
Oh, yes. When I was 10 years old, my father gave me a bicycle, a red bicycle.
A bicycle. That's a wonderful gift for a child.
I was so happy. I rode that bicycle every day after school. I still remember the feeling.
That's a precious memory. Gifts can create memories that last forever.
Yes. What about you? What's the best gift you ever received?
For me, it was a handmade photo album from my best friend. She made it for my 20th birthday.
A photo album? Tell me more.
She collected all our photos from school and university. She wrote little notes under each photo, funny memories, sweet messages.
Oh, that sounds so special. She must have spent a lot of time making it.
She did. It took her 3 months. When I opened it, I cried happy tears.
That's the power of handmade gifts. They show real effort and love.
Exactly. You can't buy that kind of love in a shop.
Let's teach some useful phrases about gifts.
Yes, good idea. When you give a gift, what can you say?
You can say, "This is for you." Very simple and clear.
Or I got you something that sounds casual and friendly.
You can also say, I hope you like it. This shows you care about their reaction.
For example, happy birthday, this is for you. I hope you like it.
Everyone repeat after us. This is for you.
I hope you like it.
Great job. Now, what do you say when you receive a gift?
The most important words are thank you. Always say thank you first.
You can say, thank you so much, I love it. Or, this is so thoughtful, thank you.
Thoughtful means the person thought about you carefully. It's a nice compliment. For example, wow, a new book. This is so thoughtful. Thank you.
You can also say, you shouldn't have. This means you feel grateful and a little surprised.
It's a polite expression. You're not really telling them to stop. You're just showing appreciation.
Let's practice. I'll give you a pretend gift. Ready?
Ready.
Happy birthday. I got you something. I hope you like it.
Oh my goodness, a beautiful scarf. Thank you so much. I love it. You shouldn't have.
Perfect response. Very natural.
Friends, practice these phrases. They're very useful in real life.
Now let's talk about something interesting. Gift-giving culture.
Yes, different countries have different customs about gifts.
In some countries, you should not open the gift immediately. You wait until later.
Really? In my culture, you open the gift right away, in front of the person.
Yes, in Western countries, people usually open gifts immediately. They want to show their reaction.
Understanding. But in some Asian countries, opening immediately might seem impolite or greedy.
Exactly. So it's important to know the culture of the person you're with.
Curious, what about gift wrapping? Is it important?
In many cultures, yes. A nicely wrapped gift shows extra effort.
I agree. I always wrap my gifts with pretty paper and ribbon. It makes the gift look more special.
I'm not good at wrapping. My gifts always look messy.
That's okay. Some shops can wrap gifts for you. You can ask them.
That's a good tip. I should do that.
Some cultures have rules about colors for wrapping paper too.
Really? Like what?
In some Asian countries, white can mean sadness, so you shouldn't use white paper for happy occasions.
That's very interesting. Red is usually a lucky color in many cultures.
Yes, red is popular for celebrations. Gold and silver are also nice for special occasions.
Let's talk about a situation everyone knows, receiving a gift you don't like.
Oh no, that's a difficult situation.
It happens to everyone. Someone gives you a gift and you think, oh, what is this?
But you have to smile and say thank you anyway.
Of course, you should never make the person feel bad. They tried their best.
The polite thing to say is still, thank you so much. This is so kind of you.
You don't have to lie and say I love it if you don't. Just focus on the thought.
You can say, thank you. It's so nice of you to think of me.
That's perfect. You're thanking them for their kindness, not the actual gift.
Have you ever received a gift you didn't like?
Yes, my aunt gave me a very ugly sweater once. It had a big cat face on it.
Oh no, a cat face sweater?
Yes, the cat had huge eyes. It was scary, not cute.
What did you do?
I said thank you, and I wore it once when she visited. Then I put it in my closet forever.
That's the right thing to do. You respected her feelings.
What about you? Did you ever receive a bad gift?
Yes, someone gave me a diet book for my birthday.
A diet book? That's not a nice birthday gift.
I think they meant well, but I felt a little hurt.
That's understandable. Some gifts can feel like criticism.
That's why choosing gifts carefully is important. Don't give gifts that might upset someone.
Good advice. Stay safe with nice things like flowers, chocolates, or gift cards.
Let's talk about giving gifts to children versus adults.
Giving gifts to children is usually easier.
Yes, kids are happy with toys, games, art supplies.
Books with pictures, stuffed animals, building blocks.
And children show their excitement honestly. They jump, they scream, they hug you.
That's true. Adults try to be polite. Kids just show real feelings.
My little nephew once said, I already have this toy. He was very honest.
Oh no, what did you do?
I said, now you have two, and I took him to exchange it later.
That was a good solution.
Do you have any tips for choosing gifts for adults?
I think the best way is to listen carefully. People often mention things they want.
Yes, pay attention when your friends talk. They might say, I need a new bag, or I want to read this book.
Write it down in your phone. Then you have gift ideas ready.
That's smart. I should do that.
Also, think about what they like. If they love coffee, give them nice coffee or a pretty mug.
If they love cooking, give them a new cookbook or kitchen tools.
Match the gift to the person's interests. That shows you know them well.
Exactly. A personal gift is always better than a random gift.
Now let's talk about some vocabulary related to gifts.
Yes, let's do a vocabulary spotlight.
First word, wrap. W-R-A-P. Wrap means to cover something with paper.
For example, I need to wrap this gift before the party.
The paper you use is called wrapping paper.
Next word, unwrap. That's the opposite. Unwrap means to remove the paper.
The child unwrapped his birthday presents quickly.
Next phrase, gift receipt. This is a special receipt without the price.
You give this receipt with your gift, so the person can exchange the gift if they need to.
It's very practical for clothes. Sometimes the size is wrong.
Yes, always ask for a gift receipt when buying clothes for others.
Next word, thoughtful. We used this earlier. It means kind and considerate.
What a thoughtful gift. You remembered I love tea.
Next word, generous. Generous means giving freely and kindly.
She is so generous. She always gives wonderful gifts.
You can also say, that's so generous of you.
Next phrase, give and take. This means sharing equally between people.
In gift giving, it means if someone gives you a gift, you should also give back sometime.
But don't keep score. Gift giving should come from the heart.
Exactly. Don't give gifts just because you have to. Give because you want to.
Last word for now, surprise. A surprise is something unexpected.
I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes.
Surprise gifts are extra special because the person doesn't expect them.
Yes, a gift on a regular day can mean more than a gift on a birthday.
Speaking of surprises, have you ever planned a surprise gift for someone?
Oh, yes. Last year, I planned a surprise birthday party for my sister.
A surprise party? Tell me about it.
I told her we were going to a restaurant, just the two of us. But when she arrived, all her friends were there.
What was her reaction?
She screamed so loudly. Then she started crying, happy tears.
That's wonderful. She was really surprised.
Yes, it took weeks to plan. I had to keep the secret from her.
Impressed. Keeping secrets is hard. I'm not good at keeping secrets.
It was very difficult. I almost told her 3 times.
I once tried to surprise my friend with concert tickets, but I was too excited and told him 1 week early.
Oh, no, you couldn't wait.
No, I couldn't. I was just too happy to keep it inside.
That's okay. The gift was still wonderful. He was probably still happy.
He was. He said it was the best gift ever.
Let's talk about money as a gift. Is it okay to give money?
This is an interesting question. In some cultures, giving money is very normal.
Yes. In many Asian countries, people give money in red envelopes for holidays and celebrations.
For weddings, many people prefer to give money. The couple can use it for their new life.
That's practical. They can buy what they really need.
But some people think giving money is not personal enough. What do you think?
I think it depends on the situation. For close friends, a personal gift is better.
Yes, for close friends, you should think about what they like.
But for colleagues or people you don't know well, money or gift cards are fine.
Also, for young people like students, money is often the best gift.
That's true. When I was a student, I always wanted money. I was so poor.
Same for me. Money meant I could buy food, books, or save it.
So money can be a great gift. It's not rude if given with good intentions.
Let's practice some more phrases. Roleplay time.
I love role play. What's the situation?
Imagine we are at a birthday party. You are giving me a gift.
Okay. Happy birthday, Alex. I brought you something special. Here, this is for you.
For me? Oh, thank you so much. Can I open it now?
Of course. Please open it.
Let me see. Wow, a new wallet. It's beautiful. I really needed this.
I noticed your old wallet was falling apart. I hope you like the color.
I love it. Brown is my favorite color. You know me so well. Thank you so much.
I'm so glad you like it. Happy birthday again.
And scene. That was perfect.
Friends, did you notice the phrases we used? Let's review them.
This is for you. Can I open it now? I really needed this.
I hope you like the color. You know me so well. I'm so glad you like it.
These are natural phrases native speakers use. Practice them at home.
Now, let's talk about online gift shopping.
Ah, yes. These days, many people buy gifts online.
It's so convenient. You can shop from your bed.
You can compare prices easily. You can read reviews from other customers.
And the gift can be sent directly to the person's address.
This is great for friends and family who live far away.
I bought my mother's birthday gift online last month. I live in a different city.
What did you buy her?
A beautiful tea set. It was delivered to her door with a birthday card.
That's wonderful. She didn't have to wait for you to visit.
Yes, she called me immediately. She was so happy.
Many websites offer gift wrapping services too.
Yes, you pay a little extra and they wrap it nicely.
But be careful with delivery times. Order early for important dates.
Good advice. Sometimes delivery takes longer than expected.
I once ordered a gift 2 days before my friend's birthday. It arrived 1 week late.
Oh no, that's disappointing.
Now I always order at least 2 weeks early.
Let's do a vocabulary review from this section.
Good idea.
First, online shopping. Buying things on the internet.
Adding. Delivery. When the package is brought to your home.
Continuing. Review or reviews. Comments from other customers about a product.
Giving example. I always read reviews before buying something online.
Teaching. Convenient. Easy and not troublesome.
Giving example. Online shopping is very convenient. I don't need to leave my house.
Everyone, repeat these words. Online shopping. Delivery. Reviews. Convenient.
Great job.
Transitioning. Before we wrap up, let's talk about one more thing. The best gifts are often not things.
What do you mean, not things?
Sometimes the best gift is your time, your presence, your help.
Oh, I see. Like spending time with someone.
For my mom's birthday last year, I didn't buy her anything. I cooked her favorite dinner and we talked for hours.
That's so sweet. Quality time is valuable.
She said it was the best birthday gift, better than any object.
Experiences can be great gifts too, like concert tickets, cooking classes, spa days.
Yes, experiences create memories. Things can break or get old.
But memories last forever.
Exactly. So don't stress about buying expensive things. Sometimes simple is best.
The gift of time, attention, and love is priceless.
Beautifully said.
Okay, let's do our final summary and wrap up.
Yes, we talked about many things today.
We talked about giving and receiving gifts,
Different types of gifts like books, clothes, money, handmade gifts,
occasions for gifts like birthdays, weddings, holidays,
gift-giving culture and customs in different countries,
how to react when you don't like a gift,
how to choose good gifts,
online shopping for gifts.
and the importance of non-material gifts like time and experiences.
That's a lot of information.
And lots of useful phrases. Let's review the key phrases one more time.
When giving a gift, this is for you. I got you something. I hope you like it.
When receiving a gift, thank you so much. I love it. This is so thoughtful. You shouldn't have.
When talking about gifts, what a generous gift. It's the thought that counts. This is perfect for me.
And remember, it's the thought that counts means the intention is more important than the gift itself.
This is a very common and useful expression.
Now, question of the day for our viewers.
Today's question is, what is the best gift you have ever received? And why was it special?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
You can write something simple like, the best gift I received was a watch from my father. It was special because he wore it for 20 years before giving it to me.
Or, the best gift was a trip to the beach with my family. We made beautiful memories.
We will read all your comments. We love hearing your stories.
Writing in English is great practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Every comment helps you improve. We are proud of you for learning.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please give us a thumbs up.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button.
We make new, slow English conversations every week.
We will continue to help you on your English learning journey.
Remember, learning English is like giving yourself a gift, the gift of knowledge.
Yes, every new word you learn is a small present to your future self.
And practice is the wrapping paper that makes it beautiful.
I like that metaphor.
Thank you all for being here with us today.
We appreciate every single one of you.
Have a wonderful day, week, and life.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep being kind.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.